Today we're looking at part number 5-224. This is your 10,000 pound spindle washer for your number 99 spindles. This spindle washer right here is a Carter brand. It will work on the Carter axles, the Lippert axles, Rockwell American axles, Alco, Hayes, quality axles. So this is going to be your replacement washer that goes behind the castle nut. And we'll just take a quick look at it. So the overall diameter is going to be 2.85, and the inner diameter is going to be 1.56. So the Rockwell American ones, the quality ones, they're a little bit skinnier right here, but this one's just a little bit thicker. Still works just as well. The quality ones are just a thinner washer. And you can get these at trailerpartsunlimited.com, trailerkits.com, or give us a call at 844-898-8687, or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'd get you taken care of. Thanks for watching.